Are you a beginner in the world of affiliate marketing, feeling overwhelmed and unsure where to start? You're not alone. Many aspiring affiliate marketers face similar challenges when they first enter this lucrative field. However, with the right strategies and guidance from experts, you can navigate through the initial hurdles and set yourself up for success. In this article, we will share 7 expert-backed strategies specifically designed for beginners in affiliate marketing. These strategies will help you build a solid foundation, increase your chances of success, and ultimately maximize your earnings. Choose your niche wisely. One of the most crucial decisions you'll make as an affiliate marketer is selecting the right niche. Consider your interests, knowledge base, and target audience's needs when choosing a niche that aligns with your goals. By focusing on a specific niche rather than trying to cater to everyone's needs, you can establish yourself as an authority and attract more engaged visitors. Research high-converting affiliate programs. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to research high-converting affiliate programs within that industry. Look for programs that offer competitive commissions, excellent products or services that resonate with your audience, reliable tracking systems, and strong support from the company behind them. Build trust through valuable content. To succeed as an affiliate marketer in today's digital landscape means providing value through content creation consistently. Whether it's blog posts or video tutorials related to your niche or product reviews highlighting their benefits and drawbacks, focus on delivering valuable information that helps solve problems for your audience. Leverage social media platforms. Social media platforms have become powerful tools for promoting products as an affiliate marketer effectively. Create engaging content on platforms like Instagram or YouTube by showcasing how these products have positively impacted people's lives while including relevant links in each post or video description leading back to your affiliate offers. Optimize your website for conversions. Having a well-optimized website is essential to maximize your affiliate marketing success. Ensure your website loads quickly, has an intuitive layout, and is mobile-friendly. Implement call-to-action buttons strategically throughout your content and make it easy for visitors to navigate through different pages on your site. Engage with your audience. Building strong relationships with your audience is crucial in the world of affiliate marketing. Respond to comments and messages promptly, ask questions to encourage interaction, and provide personalized recommendations based on their needs or preferences. By engaging authentically with your audience, you'll build trust and increase the likelihood of conversions. Track your results and adapt. To continuously improve as an affiliate marketer, it's essential to track your results regularly. Use analytics tools like Google Analytics or social media insights to understand which strategies are working best for you, whether it's specific content formats, promotional channels, or even time of day, so that you can adapt accordingly. By following these expert-backed strategies for beginners in affiliate marketing, you'll be well on your way towards building a successful online business that generates passive income over time. In conclusion, starting out as a beginner in the world of affiliate marketing may seem daunting at first glance. However, by implementing these 7 expert-backed strategies outlined above, choosing the right niche wisely, researching high-converting programs, providing valuable content consistently, leveraging social media platforms effectively, optimizing conversion rates on websites, engaging authentically with audiences, tracking results religiously, you will set yourself up for success in this exciting field. Remember that success doesn't happen overnight but rather through consistent effort and implementation of proven techniques backed by experts' knowledge and experience. Stay focused on providing value to your audience while staying adaptable to changing trends within the industry.